We will be showing you the maneuver braking feature. It comes standard with all vehicles that has park distance control. The function works as follows. If you move into a position and something is in your blind spot, the car will automatically brake by itself if you are moving between 2 and 10 kilometers per hour. Today we have Ben at the back of me. We will demonstrate this feature on Ben. As you guys can see, the vehicle stops dead by itself.